configures an ESP32 as a Bluetooth master that connects to a slave ESP32 using its MAC address. So this reads an angle values typed into the serial monitor and sends them over Bluetooth to the slave, which can then use the values, for example, to move a servo motor.
Nakakita ko Deus. Ano nga, Paul, yung MAC address, hanapin nyo sa system.
Now,
Ano yung MAC address?
another example, 180.
Or sa master.
Then we will enter. This master also prints messages to the serial monitor, showing whether the Bluetooth connection was successful and confirming each angle value it transmits.